Basically, the physiology of, or the mechanism of swallowing or deglutition, it has three phases. There is the buccal phase, the pharyngeal phase, and the esophageal phase. The buccal phase, that's one that follows the ingestion of the food. And here have no series or cascades, series of events that happens. There's one, mastication, where there's breaking down of food substance into what, into soluble, and that can be easily managed. Also, the tongue itself, it plays an important role in the mixing of that food with the saliva. And the tongue mixes the food. Its adaptation for it to mix the food is that quite okay, it has a set of muscles, of which have the intrinsic and the extrinsic type of muscles. The extrinsic muscles, they help in propelling the food bolus to the right and left side of the mouth. And then the intrinsic muscles, they are the ones that helps in.
Muscles are in the tongue.
Yes, the muscles of the tongues. And then the intrinsic muscles, they help in pushing all the food bolus to the roof of the mouth. So after all these cascades, then the food will be pushed to the back of the mouth, which is the soft palate. And then there, back through the uvula, the upper or the oropharyngeal muscles, quite okay, they will relax there. And then the lower pharyngeal muscles, they will constrict, making the epiglottis to close the airway, hence preventing of that food bolus from being aspirated into the airway. And then the other way around again to happen. We are now in the pharyngeal phase. So the upper part of the pharynx to start doing that, to start contracting, and the lower part to be dilating. Okay? And then not until it reaches the upper esophageal sphincter. On the upper esophageal sphincter, that marks the esophageal phase. Quite okay, the sphincter to open up, allowing food to go into the esophagus. The esophagus, the upper part of the esophagus, it is under voluntary. It is not involuntary. We control it ourselves. It is made up of the skeletal muscles, the 2/3 of the esophagus, two upper third. And then the lower part, it is made up of smooth muscles, meaning it is involuntary. Don't control it. So it is that peristaltic wave that helps in sweeping all this food bolus downwards the lower esophageal sphincter. Of course, this esophagus, it also has two types of muscles. You have the circular muscles, which are inside, and the longitudinal muscles, which are outside.
Talk about esophagus.
Yes, esophageal phase. So this the contraction of these muscles, or this peristaltic wave, will help in pushing this food bolus to the cardiac sphincter, or to the lower esophageal sphincter, until the food passes the cardiac sphincter, henceforth in the stomach. That's what is known as deglutition, or swallowing.